Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how I can bring some color and some warmth to this photo. The photo looks good, no problems there, but I want to add a bit of warmth to it. So the first thing I want to do is obviously duplicate the layer. So obviously not working non-destructively. So come here, drag in here. So now I want to go to filter and camera raw filter. And obviously, because it's so cold, we need to warm it up. So we're going to temperature slider and we go nearly all the way up. And it looks a bit washed out and we want to add a bit more contrast as well. To do that, I'm just going to obviously add contrast. And I'm going to just bring down the shadows and add some more blacks, like so. And I'll add a bit of clarity. And I'll click OK. And as you can see before and after, straight away looks really cool. Another thing you can do is, depending on the image, you can add a bit of vignette, you can add a bit of lens flare. We've got a bit of lens flare here, and I'm quite happy with that. But what if I wanted to add one in a non-destructive way? To do that, I'm going to just create a new blank layer, and I'm going just to come here, edit, fill, and I want to fill with black. Okay, so now all we have to do is change the blending mode from normal to screen, and as you can see, nothing has changed because we changed the blending mode. So now we go just to filter, render, lens flare, and we've got different lens flares in here. So we've got 550 to 300 mil, 35 mil prime, 105, and movie prime. And this one here looks quite cool. And as you can see, you can move it around to your liking. So I'm going just come here, a bit more brightness, and I'll click OK. And as you can see, adds that extra bit of flare. Obviously, you can drop the opacity. Another thing you can do is I'm going just to undo that, and I'm going to just right click and convert to smart object. Doing that allows me to retweak the filter if I want to. So now that we have a smart filter, I'm going to filter, render, lens flare. So I'm going to leave it as it is. I'll click OK. And if I see it's too strong or I don't like these lines, because I don't like these lines now, if I'll double click on lens flare right here, I can change it to bright now, so I can go something like so. Click OK and update straight away. And as before, if it's too strong, we can drop the opacity. That's before and that's the after. I think it looks quite cool and can make a big difference to your photos as well. I hope this inspired you to take some more photos in the beach, even though it's winter. But hey, if you're lucky enough to have a beach, beautiful sunlight like this, make the most of it. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.